the airport. Just got into our gate. I'm so excited to go to a rising and head in the clouds. And so far so good. Flights have been good. I didn't bring a check-in luggage, so I should be good. And I can't wait to go and show you guys. Concert. We were just walking from the parking lot into the Rose Bowl, and so far so good. It's not that hot. It's kind of windy a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and see Davin first. He's gonna start in a bit. Day one is over. We saw a lot of people actually. Since Nikki wasn't there, we got to see Kashi, and he was really good. His mic worked this time. Other than that, we got food. What did we get? We got pizza tots. It was like 14 bucks, and then we got like a lemonade that was so watered down. It was like $9. And then boba was $9. But it was from Boba, guys, and it's actually pretty good. And now we're just walking to the parking lot. And I'm definitely feeling the effects. We just saw BB, and we saw from afar, so I could rest. We're sitting in the shade, and I'm so hot, even though I'm like wearing a bathing suit practically. Got our boba. We waited, how long did we wait? Maybe like 15, 20 minutes?
3 hours.
But there's like a huge lineup and I just wanted something to drink because I feel like I'm dehydrated. But that's, I don't know, you could tell, like that's the line. So, finally made it.
Take a photo together. All right, let's do it.
We're finally done the festival. It was really tiring. The sun hit really hard, but I'm glad that I got a good night's rest. We are at a breakfast place, grabbing some breakfast.